Hello team, today I'm very excited to share with you the inspiring story of Quantel, what we call as India's expert network. Our journey begins when we were into the college years and we were having like a deep passion for education and a burning desire to make a difference into the current education ecosystem. Me and my fellow co-founder Rishabh Girl, we both graduated from National Institute of Technology, Kurukshetra in 2021, and it was like the third year when we realized that there is an immense potential in the current education sector, because there are lots and lots of institutes and the edtech organizations like Byju's and Unacademy. They're focusing towards the part of delivering the knowledge, but what it comes to the experiential learning, there is no as such player who is helping with a lot of individual connect with the highly quality network. So we observe this, there is a significant disconnect between the individuals and the highly quality network. So that is which is hindering their growth and limiting the access to valuable opportunities. So this realization became the initial foundation for us at Quantel. As we pondered over how we could revolutionize the current education system and create a lasting impact for the next 40 to 50 years, so answer became like very crystal clear that we need to address the challenges which are being faced by the people and the organizations into the tier 2, tier 3 cities, where they are lacking connections and the resources in the current education system, where currently most of the people are focusing towards the knowledge material which is available into the market, which is also being stagnant. So to have a lasting impact, they need to connect with the people who have actually achieved a lot of things in their lives. So we understood this, and the key to bridging this gap was enabling seamless connection between these aspiring individuals and industry experts. So with this vision in the mind and having a goal to revolutionize the mentoring industry by making it more personalized, efficient and effective, we launched Quantel as an India's mentor network when we were into the third year of the college. Quantel is India's leading mentor platform right now, where we are connecting individuals and organizations with over 8,000 experts across a variety of domains. With this extensive mentor network, we have like a dedicated pool of 3,000 active mentors as well, which are the proper vetted mentors who have gained a lot of opportunities through us and who are earning a good bunch of amount, as well as getting a good brand value of their faces as well. So our currently primary focus is mentorship, and it will always be like this, and we firmly believe in this transformative power. And we initially started with B2C and allowing anyone to connect with the mentors through one-on-one call and have like a dedicatedly month-long internships. Like you can have Amazon guy for six months, you can have a guy who is doing investment banking at a Barclays, you can have him for 3 months. So we provide the dedicated mentorships as well. But later on we had a thought that in India you need to create a good bunch of awareness about mentorship. So to have it, to create this awareness at a very limited period of time, we pivoted our model into different segment. And rather than investing millions of money solely into marketing, we decided to take a different approach. We shifted our focus to B2B engagements. We collaborated with community organizations, we collaborated with colleges, startups, tech companies, tech institutions, and the institutes, the exam preparation institutes. So this strategic pivot allowed us to reach to wider audience and mentor like more than thousands of individuals at a monthly basis. And by deploying our mentors on a daily basis, we have been able to guide and support individuals in their personal as well as in their professional growth. And also we are helping a lot of businesses overcome their challenges which they are facing on a day-to-day life through our mentors. Currently, our mentor network comprises of individuals who are the leaders of their respective fields. We have immense pride in having corporate executives, finance experts, who are the leaders of the corporate industry, the CEOs, CXOs. We also have secretary level positions of the government officers. We have former finance secretary, former education secretary, and these are people who actually believe in the vision of our company. Even the former finance secretary said that yes, you are doing something which is going to add value to the current education system, where students can learn from the experience of the people who have achieved a lot of things in their lives. So we are also very proud to say that we have built one of the first India's bureaucratic network as well, having like above 500 bureaucrats. Mostly of them are retired, but yes, they are there to share their experiential learning with the upcoming aspirants and anyone who wants to learn from their forte. So these high caliber individuals bring actually wealth and experience to guide and inspire individuals by their experience. So we are very proud to have them as mentors onboarded on our platform, and we have like a complete SOP defined of how to onboard a mentor and how the steps to maintain and how to maintain the feedback mechanism system is already been there. So by tapping into the expertise, mentee gain a lot of insights that actually accelerate their growth, and even the organization, it accelerates their businesses into next level. Quantel growth has always been organic, and it's always fueled by the appreciation and positive feedbacks we receive from our users, who are either individuals or organizations. As a vision of our founders, we always want to make a sustainable business. That's why we entered into B2B and started focusing more towards the organic audience. And till now also we are a bootstrap startup. Currently, we are seeking funding to further develop our technological infrastructure so that we can have the automation and enhanced matchmaking capabilities through AI and the other machine learning technologies, through which we'll be having a very good, very efficient matchmaking of our mentor and mentee. So this strategic investment will always enable us to scale and meet the growing demand of our services, making a more significant impact in the education industry. Honestly saying, Quantel was never limited to the individual mentorship alone. So I've already discussed in the above statements that it was, we are currently doing B2B, but yes, we do collaborate with the incubators, accelerators as well. So who are looking forward to provide mentors for their, portfolio startups, through which they will be facilitating their growth and ensuring their success. So we do also have other, revenue streams which are open to us. Like for example, we were having a discussion with the founder of Ola as well, who's looking forward to have one of our, IPS with the DGP of Delhi to define the policies for their drivers. So a lot of things can be inculcated into our business model by the forte of our mentors. So that's it. So as a founder, we always look forward to have a clear revenue streams and define mentorship in a more clear manner to the individuals. So our vision is to interlink the growth of our users, our the combined partners of us, and create a vibrant ecosystem of mentorship, so that we can revolutionize this industry by making people learn from the experiential learning. I would like to thank you all for taking your time and coming here to hear about Quantel, which is India's mentor network. And we as founders and everyone who is working on our organization 24/7, we truly believe in the power of mentorship and the impact it's going to have on individuals and the businesses in the coming years. So if you would, if you're seeking mentorship or, requiring mentorship for your organization, then Quantel is here to connect you with the best fit domain experts for your organization. And if you're looking for the users, then similarly for that as well. So together, let's unlock the true potential and embark a transformative journey. So for any further questions, you can feel free to reach out to me, and let's together make a difference. Thank you.